Hi, everyone. My name is Tyra, and this is Marine's Home Expressions. No, this is not a full video, guys. This is just a video for me to test out some of the items that I got for my birthday and for Christmas. And one of them, as you can see, is this little guy right here, a microphone. This was a gift from my sister. And I want you guys to make sure you get down in the comments and let me know your thoughts about the sound from here on out. So, for my husband and my brother, check the sound and let me know what's going on with it down in the comments. And then my husband bought me the ring light, the glow. And this is the brand that we have. Can you guys see that? And yeah, I know you can see it in the window behind me, but just the overall look of the space with the ring light, I think it's really going to help the videos look crisp, more crisp, and give the lighting that I need, the lighting control, instead of relying solely on daylight outside and lights in the house. So I'm super, super excited about it. I can't wait for the new year. I have a lot of things planned for us for Marine's Home Expressions. And yeah, I'll see you guys in 2024, baby. See ya. Thanks. Love you guys. Bye.